Hello dear friends. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the Become Digital Electronics Master course. This course will provide you with a thorough understanding of digital electronics, a vital field for anyone seeking a career in electronics, electrical engineering, or related fields. This course is designed for people who are beginners or looking to expand their knowledge in this field. This course currently has about 6,000 students, and with a rank of 4, it can be a very good course. The price of this course is currently around €20. And if you prepare this course, you can have full-time access to this course. The length of this course is currently 26 hours, and after completion, you will receive a certificate of this course. In addition, if there is a new version for the course, you can use the new version by updating the course. You are supposed to learn the following topics: Science of Digital Electronics, Applications of Digital Electronics, Boolean Algebra, Logic Gates, Various Electronic Machines/Devices/Instruments, and many other topics. I am going to make this course available to you for free, and you can access all parts of the course for free and completely legally without paying any fees, and even get a certificate. Your browser and search skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results to make sure that the website address is the same one that is being shown here. After clicking on the link, you will enter the main page of skilldiscounts.com. On this page, you can see all the courses that were offered on the Udemy website with a discount coupon, including the course we are looking for that you see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, just click on this link. The course page will open for you. You can see the course details here. And to access the discount coupon for this course, go to the bottom of the page and click on the Go to the Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course for free through skilldiscounts.com, and now instead of €20, I get this course for free. Note that there are currently 3 days left of the discount period, and the discount coupon here has been automatically applied to you. You can use this free and legal course so easily. Use other free and legal Udemy courses. You can see other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories or go to the all free online courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also get such training. If you like and subscribe to us, I will thank you. Have a nice day.